Sean Hammond, Sparks Fire Department, captain. We were able to get the Helen Close grant again. We got a brand new 2025 Polaris Ranger 1000. This is the North Star edition, and it's the ultimate, so it's power everything. We're gonna go over some of the changes that are on this. That way you guys are able to use it and make everything function properly. Starting up front, we have our connections. These are connections for the plow system. So this will be staged at one of our fire stations, I believe station 6. It is all electronic, so we'll go over that kind of stuff. These are different colored. They are colored for a reason. We're just gonna tuck those in for now. The differences between this and our current EMS cart, one is the winch. We have 2 different controls for that. We'll go over that as well. The light bar system up top, and for that we will go inside. So with this fully enclosed cab, it's really nice, heat, AC, all the good things. But what we will show you is winch system up front. We have a wireless, so that way you can be there. The only thing that you have to have is that electronics have to be on for this. Also on this side, there's a winch on the sticker, in out. So we use that. Headlights are here as well. That front light I just showed you, light bar, is also on this side. To start this, it's just like anything else. Apply the brake. It will be in park. It does its check setup. We want to make sure this stays in turf mode as much as possible unless we're off-road. Turf mode is 1-wheel drive. In the middle is 2-wheel drive, so both axles, or the back axle, can engage if needed. 4-wheel drive is everything engaged. We're going to leave this in standard mode. It does have multiple settings, but we're not going to use those. Your PA is constantly hot, so as you hit the button, test, 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 it's actually working. It's a little different from the last one where you actually had to turn it on. Wail, yelp, so those are going to be other differences. This does have your windshield washer and windshield washer fluid. I'm not going to test that, we just cleaned it all. Your light bar system is up here now. So if you'll take a look, all bar, we'll turn that on. Darren will do a quick walk around and see actually what it is. You can see it's the 4 corners of the apparatus and the 4 corners of the light bar up top. They're all red right now. If we turn that off, we can do the front lights. Front lights are going to be in the center of the light bar up top. Again, if I do want the front light bar on, it's going to be a lower switch. It's going to be on the very bottom right next to the winch. Next will be the rear off of the top. Left and right alleys. They're just like the BC rigs, so it'll have us left and right clear switches. And then this has a scene light. Scene light is going to be used if it's dark, and it turns all lights on in the white position, and it will not strobe. So if we're doing any kind of a river rescue, something like that, wildland, we can use this. And you can use it with the all bar, which is EMS, or the EMS lights up top, the red lights. You can use those in conjunction. That'll give you reds on all 4 corners, but everything else is bright white. Real quick while we're here, the windshield right now is in the vented mode. You can see underneath it's going to bring air in. You can adjust it and have it watertight, which is how this thing should be stored, or we can kick it all the way open and get whatever breeze we want. The stereo system here, use it as you want. There's nothing really special about that with any of our controls. And then we'll take a look at the EMS bed on the back. This bed is still the same EMS bed that we had on the last one. So it's the same ABC fire extinguisher, the same water can. We'll have EMS bags on this with our battle gear as well. So that'll always be stored on here. You can throw your gear if we want EMS gear as well with us. And the only other difference that I will talk about with this is your doors. So your doors open kind of suicide. Make sure that these are shut correctly. It has the slam latch and it does have a lot of weather stripping. To open it from the inside is right here. So once it's shut, this opens, then you'll have your electronic door controls as well. If you have any other questions, I will be at the special event on Wednesday and can help you guys look through this. We will have another hands-on training. This is just a training to get this rolling out for Hot August nights. Thank you.